Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin.
A queens of substance vie for the honor and crown to represent the Philippines at the 2024 Miss International Queen in Thailand this June. Top 10 Miss International Queen Philippines 2024, and here are the queens who made it: Laguna, Manila, Quezon City, Coronadal City, Manay, Davao Oriental, Cebu Province, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, Pampanga, Iligan City, and Italy. Final 3 and runners-up for Miss International Queen Philippines 2024. Here are the queens who made it to the final round of the coronation: Manay, Davao Oriental, Manila, Laguna. Third runner-up is Coronadal City, and fourth runner-up is San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Congratulations to Miss Manila for being the second runner-up, and Manay, Davao Oriental for being the first runner-up, and congratulations to Laguna for being the Miss International Queen Philippines 2024, Sofia Arcangel. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!